Alright guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. We're going to do a quick one today. We're going to do a little install. I got a package in today. It's a servo, a mini servo. It's metal, 17 Gs, like 17 grams of force. It's by goupRC. Yeah, I got it off Amazon. And this is my SCX10iii. You guys know it as the Cherokee XJ. It has the new the new transmission for axial. The new 3 gear or 4 gear, whatever it is, LX something U. What is it called? Anyway, it comes with the addition of the DIG unit for free. And I never had a little servo when I built the truck. See, it goes right in there. Right there. I never had a servo when I built the truck. So when I built the whole chassis, so they give you this little plate right here, and it holds the arm. And you know, you guys know what DIG does. It's all about the back wheel. So I'm going to set it to a 3-position switch on my radio. I'm going to have it so it locks, and so that it freewheels. So there's only front wheel drive. So now the truck will be 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, or locked DIG rear end. And this is a 6-volt servo. The whole system's running off 6 volts now, because the Endura servo winch at 6 volts makes 35 kilograms, which is really good. So I might have to change the steering servo, but it's been holding up just fine. This is a 6-volt small servo. And what I mean by small servo, you can see a normal size servo up front. You know, it's really small. There. Anyway, all metal case, except for the top and the bottom. All metal gears. It even comes with a horn, but because an extra bag of goodies, like all servos do, but you can tell these are kind of the cheaper ones. So we will throw those aside. This axial comes with its own servo horn and everything for the DIG unit, and that's labeled in bag C. Well, I have it just written bag C here. There's a bunch of random parts in there. I'll have to open them up, get them fitted to the horn of this once I find center, and then when I find center, we'll go from there. But I gotta take this little bracket off here first. It's held on by some 1.5 mil. I guess those are the screws that are holding the servo on. At least they're like a box head type screw. I'll just set them right up there so I don't lose them. Oh, that's not ideal for the motor. No. There's the, where is it? There's the little piece that locks that action right here. Locks that. So see the back wheels? They're locked. Push forward. They're part of the system. In the middle. The freewheeling. That's your DIG unit. DIG. And that's all going to be through this little servo right here. So let's take a look at what bag C gives you. So they probably give you a couple options. And we still have the instructions too. So hold on with me, I'm going to read the instructions. Find out how all this goes together, slap it together, and then show it to you guys. Alright, we got it all installed. You can see we got 4-wheel drive. Take our channel 6, and now the back tires are left. Move to the middle, and now it's 2-wheel drive, front wheel drive only. Like and subscribe. You can see I used absolutely, I'll take you in on another camera angle. Like and subscribe, guys, thanks. And don't run away. I'll show you what I did and didn't use, which was absolutely nothing. Alright guys, here's the bag. That servo came with it, the new servo. And this is all the axial stuff that they wanted you to use. I tried to cut up another servo, and this is all made for, it's for their Spectrum, that little tiny micro servo. So what I did, so all I did was plop that stock horn on, right in there. And I had to take one of the sides out because the servo was just a little bit too long. But everything works fine now.